In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser and search bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Now type prompt here. I have prepared a prompt in advance, which I will paste into the text box. Click on Create button and wait. I will provide the complete prompt in the description of this tutorial so that you can copy and use it. Check the result. You can download the image you like from the download option. Now try another one. Check the result. Try another one. Check the result. For more AI and Photoshop tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.